Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2012 Ford Escape. Stock number is A6981. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and a chrome grille. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Firestone Destination tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a cargo rack. Swinging around to the back end. And we're going to take a look inside of the hatch. There is a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Escape on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.